Good afternoon. Today's topic is LBP exercise 12.1 question number 3. The question is maximum z equal to 5x plus 3y subject to 3x plus 5y less than equal to 15 and 5x plus 2y less than equal to 10, x greater than 0 and y also greater than equal to 0. Okay, find the maximum value of z by using graphically. Okay, so here objective function is z equal to 5x plus 3y. Okay, now consider the first in equation is 3x plus 5y less than equal to 15. So write 3x plus 5y equal to 15. Okay, consider equal sign equal to 15. Now this means divide this term by 15, that is 3x by 15 plus 5y by 15 equal to 15 by 15. Okay, so this means x by 5 plus y by 3 into 5 15 equal to 1. Okay, now another equation is 5x plus 2y and consider 5x plus 2y equal to 10. Okay, consider equal sign. Now dividing both sides by 10, that means 5x by 10 plus 2y by 10 equal to 10 by 10, it is 1. So x by 2 plus y by 5 equal to 1. Okay, now we have to draw these two lines. So first draw x-axis, y-axis. This is x, y, x just y dashed and origin O. Okay, so first line is x by 5, y by 3 equal to 1. So on the x-axis 5 unit and on the y-axis 3 unit. 5, 3. Okay. Take this is 5 and this is 3. Here also take this one 5 and this one 3, this point. Okay. Now, so first point is 5, 3, x5, y3, x5, y3, join these 2 point, x5, y3, then x2, y5, x2, this is x2, y5. x2, y5. Okay. Now find their direction. So put x0, x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So 3x plus 5y less than equal to 15. First equation. 3x plus 5y less than equal to 15. Okay. So putting x equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So this means 0 less than equal to 15. It is true or false? 0 less than 15? It is
true.
Okay. Now another equation, 5x plus 2y, 5x plus 2y less than equal to 10. Okay, so putting 0, 0, x0, y0, then we get 0 less than equal to 10. So this is also true. Now put the equation, that means towards the origin, direction of the lines towards the origin, that means this side, this side, and this also, this is also this side, origin side.
Yes, sir.
That means this is the common region. This, okay, and coordinate of this is, coordinate of this 2, 0.
2, 0.
This is step A, 2, 0, and this one take B, B point, coordinate you have to find by solving these two equation, and this one x5, y3, so 0, 3, this is C, take, so C is 0, 3. Okay, x5, y3, 0, 3, and origin 0, 0. Okay, now we have to find B point, intersection of these two lines. So now solving this two equation, So 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y equal to 15, and 5x plus 2y, 5x plus 2y equal to 10. Okay, so multiply first one by 5 and second one by 3. Okay, so 15x plus 25y equal to 75, 5 into 15. Now second one by 3, 3 into 5, 15. 15x plus 6y equal to 30. Minus, minus, minus. Okay, so 15x plus 15x minus 15x cancel, and 25 minus 6 is 19y. Y equal to
45.
45. Okay, so y equal to 45 by 19. Now putting this value of y in any one equation. Okay, first equation write 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y equal to 15. Okay, so 3x plus 5 into y is 45 by 19 equal to 15. So 3x equal to 15 minus 5 into 45, 225. Yes,
Yes, sir.
19. Now multiply 19 into 15. 19 is the LCM. What is 19 into 15?
285.
Yes, 200,
85.
285
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
minus 225 equal to
60 by 19.
60 by 19. Okay, therefore x equal to
20 by 9.
x equal to 60 by 19 into 3. Okay, 3 and 60, 20. So equal to 20 by 19. Okay, so the point C, no, it is C, B. Coordinate of B is therefore B. Coordinate of B 20 by 19 20 by 19 and y equal to 45 by 19.
Yes, sir.
Okay, So 20 by 19 and 45 by 19. This is B. 20 by 19, comma 45 by 19. Okay. Now find Z, values of Z. So first at, okay. So first to write corner points are, therefore corner points are O, origin O, A, B, C. O 0, 0. Then A is 2, 0. Two, 0. Then B. B is 20 by 19, 45 by 19. B and C. C is 0, 3. 0, 3. Okay. Now Z is equal to 5x plus 3y.
5x plus 3y.
Okay. So at O, that is 0, 0, Z equal to 0. At A point is 2, 0. So Z is equal to x equal to 2. 5 into 2 plus 3 into 0 equal to 10. Then at B, B point is 20 by 19, 45 by 19. Z equal to, so 5 into 20 by 19 plus 3 into 45 by 19. Calculate this. 5 into 20, 100. So 100 plus 3 into 45.
135.
135 by 19. So 235 by 19.
Yes, sir. 12.37 approximate.
235 by 19. Now question is maximum Z. One more point, C. At C is 0, 3. C is 0, 3. So Z equal to 5 into 0 plus 3 into 3 equal to 9. Okay. So maximum Z, which one maximum? 9, 235 by 19, 10 and 0. Which one maximum?
Yes, 235 by 19.
Yes, 235 by 19. Therefore, Z is maximum. Z is maximum at point is 20 by 19, 20 by 19 and 45 by 19. Okay. and maximum value equal to 235 by 19. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, it is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question number 4. Minimum Z. Minimum Z equal to 3x plus 5y subject to x plus 3y, x plus 3y greater than equal to 3. And another equation is x plus y greater than equal to 2. Sorry. X greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. So it is x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. Okay. Now consider so to make equal both the equation, so x plus 3y equal to 3. So you can write this x by 3. This means divide both sides by 3, that is x by 3 plus y by 1 equal to 1. Okay, clear? And second one,
X by 2 plus y by 4.
x plus y equal to 2. So this is x by 2 plus y by 2 equal to 1. Okay. Now draw x-axis and y-axis. X y x dashed y dashed O origin. Okay, so first line is x3 y1. Okay, take this is x3 y1. x3 y1, join these 2 points. This is one line, and another one is x2 y2, both are 2. So x2 and this is y2. First one is x3 y1, okay, and second one x2 y2. Okay, take this is 2. Now this type, this. Okay. Okay, now see the direction of these two lines. If we put 0, 0, x 0, y 0, then 0 greater than equal to 3 and 0 greater than equal to 2. Okay, so now 0 greater than equal to 3. This is true or false? This is false.
False.
And 0 greater than equal to 2. 0 greater than equal to 2. This is also false. False statement. So, away from the origin, direction will be. That means outside. Okay. So, this side, direction. This is also this side. That means okay. So corner points are, this is 1 point. Take this is A, and what is the coordinate of this point? A is
3, 0.
x3, y1. A is 2, no? 2, 0.
So 3, 0.
No, second one, no. First one to this. Yes, first one, yes. So it is 3, 0. 3, 0. And this is intersection point. We have to find this, B. This point, B. And this is C. What is the coordinate of C?
0, 2.
0, 2. Okay? Because x2, y2. Now solve these two equations and find the intersection point. So, x plus 3y equal to 3 and x plus y equal to 2. To solve this, subtract. This minus. So 3y minus y is 2y. X cancel. 2y equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. And y equal to 1 by 2. Okay? Yes? It is correct? Y equal to 1 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then x plus y equal to 2. X plus y equal to 2. So x equal to
2
3 by
minus.
2.
Wow, 2 minus.
x
2
equal
minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2.
equal to 2 minus 1 by 2,
1 by 2.
3 by 2. Okay. So this is B. So B point is, therefore, P equal to x is 3 by 2 and y is 1 by 2. Okay. Now Z. Z equal to 3x plus 5y. So first point at A. So A point is 3, 0. A is 3, 0. So Z equal to 3 into 3 plus 5 into 0 equal to 9. Okay. Now second point at B, 3 by 2 comma half. 3 by 2 comma half. So Z equal to 3 into 3 by 2 plus 5 into half. So 9 by 2 plus 5 by 2. 9 plus 5,
14 by 2 is equal to 7.
14 by 2 equal to 7. Okay. Now one more point, C. So at C,
3 into 0 plus 5 into 2.
at C point is 0, 2. So Z is equal to 3 into 0 plus 5 into 2 equal to 10. Okay. Question is minimum Z, minimum. So 10, 7 and 9. So minimum is 7.
7.
So Z is minimum at, therefore Z is minimum at 3 by 2 comma half. Half and minimum value equal to 7. Okay, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.